What's up, guys? Nova Studios. I'm Slade.
I'm Avery. I'm on a phone because FaceTime is wonderful.
Yeah, FaceTime. Layer, really bad.
Yeah, I'm invisible.
So.
But anyways, this video has no special purpose other than
guys, there's.
I shall accept your challenge.
Guys, there's construction going on in the studio. Just know that, please. Please. So me and Avery, if you watched the last video, I said, let me know if you want me and Avery to do a 50 subscriber video. Nathan wanted it, and I think London wanted it. So, I'm at 26 subscribers, and Avery's at
13.
Avery's at 13. Some of you guys go subscribe to Avery, so it's kind of fair. Unless you want me to win.
So this video is basically just to say that I accept your challenge, and it's on. Dan, you're going down.
Nope, that's not happening. Guys.
All I need is double my subscribers, gosh, and tie it up. And this also means I'm gonna try harder to start making
yeah, he hasn't made a video in 2 months.
Yeah.
So he's gonna start making videos more. I'm doing a video a day a lot.
To tell the truth, I forgot my YouTube channel existed.
I didn't know he was gonna say that, guys. Let me know if you want a video. This thing.
Technical difficulties. Oh, is it your helmet? Does he have his helmet? He has his helmet.
Yeah.
This is a special occasion if he has his helmet.
So.
Technical difficulties. Whoa!
So.
Oh, so bad. Oh.
Let me know if. What am I even saying, guys? So if you want me to win, subscribe to me. Or if you want Avery to win, subscribe to him. If you want us both to win,
subscribe to both of us. We don't care.
So this subscribe.
And also let us know if you want us to do any other challenges, like some Forza challenge. I'm not even sure what that would be, or something like that. We're open to suggestions.
Yeah. So subscribe, leave a like, push the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
See ya.